Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're going to be looking at interjections, definition, and types with examples. So let's get started. Definition of interjection with examples. Merriam-Webster defines interjection as: an interjection is a word or phrase that is grammatically independent from the words around it and mainly expresses feeling rather than meaning. Cambridge Dictionary writes about interjections. We use interjections to express emotions such as pleasure, surprise, shock, and disgust. Most interjections are just sounds rather than actual words and come at the beginning or at the end of what we say. Interjections are more common in speaking than in writing. According to the above-mentioned definitions, we learn that, number 1, an interjection is a part of speech. Number 2, an interjection is a word or phrase. Number 3, an interjection is grammatically independent. Interjections are not governed by grammar. Number 4, most of the interjections are just sounds, while some of them are words and phrases. Number 5, interjections are used to express emotions and feelings like surprise, pleasure, shock, disgust, happiness, fear, sorrow, pain, admiration, joy, celebration, and others. In the following examples, hurrah, alas, and wow are interjections used to convey joy, sorrow, and surprise respectively. Examples: hurrah, we have won the game. Alas, my grandpa is dead. Alas, my grandpa is dead. Wow, this is amazing. Wow, this is amazing. Common types of interjections. Number 1, interjections of joy or happiness. Hooray, / hurrah, and yippee. Examples: A, hooray, we won the match. Hooray, we won the match. B, hurrah, I've got the first prize. Hurrah, I've got the first prize. C, yippee, we're going on vacation tomorrow. Yippee, we're going on vacation tomorrow. Number 2, interjections of sorrow or sadness. Alas, ah, and boo-hoo. Examples: A, alas, my grandma met an accident and died yesterday. Alas, my grandma met an accident and died yesterday. B, boo-hoo, she is crying inside. Boo-hoo, she is crying inside. C, ah, I've lost all the money I had. Ah, I've lost all the money I had. Number 3, interjections of surprise. Interjections of surprise. Wow, wow, my goodness. Examples: wow, your car is beautiful. Wow, your car is beautiful. B, Wow, you got such a wonderful job. Wow, you got such a wonderful job. C. My goodness, what a loud noise. My goodness, what a loud noise. Number 4. Interjections of pain. Interjections of pain. Oh and ouch. Oh and ouch. Examples. A. Oh, it hurts badly. Oh, it hurts badly. B. Ouch, don't touch the injured area. Ouch, don't touch the injured area. It hurts. It hurts. Number 5. Interjections of anger. Interjections of anger. Grr and argh. Examples. Grr, what a childish behavior. Grr, what a childish behavior. B. Ah, the machine is not running well. Ah, the machine is not running well. Number 6. Interjections of hesitation. And examples. I have no answer. I have no answer. B. This is my brother's house. This is my brother's house. C. The capital of India is Delhi. The capital of India is Delhi. Number 7. Interjections of approval. Great, brilliant, well done, bravo. Examples. A. Great, your posts are really helpful. Great, your posts are really helpful. B. Brilliant, you have a very good memory. Brilliant, you have a very good memory. C. Well done, your answer is absolutely fine. Well done, your answer is absolutely fine. D. Bravo, you've scored in the test more than everyone did. Bravo, you scored in the test more than everyone did. Number 8. Interjections of attention. Hey, look, and hush. Examples. Hey, what are you doing there? Hey, what are you doing there? B. Look, your teacher is coming. Look, your teacher is coming. C. Hush, somebody is approaching you. Hush, somebody is approaching you. Interjections practice exercise. Exercise 1. Specify the types of the interjections in bold. Specify the types of the interjections in bold. You have 5 seconds to give your answer before I'm going to move on to the next item and give you the correct answer. If you think 5 seconds is not enough, you can pause the video. Number 1. Or A. Hurrah! We've got the first prize. Hurrah! We've got the first prize. Answer. It's interjection of joy. Interjection of joy. Number 2 or B. Alas, my grandpa is dead. Alas, my grandpa is dead. Answer. It's interjection of sorrow. Interjection of sorrow. C or number 3. Great, you've done a great job. Great, you've done a great job. Answer. It's interjection of approval. Interjection of approval. Number 4 or letter D. Hey there, what's up? Hey there, what's up? It's interjection of attention. Interjection of attention. And number 5 or E for exercise 1, last item. My brother is a doctor. My brother is a doctor. Answer is interjection of hesitation. Interjection of hesitation. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with appropriate interjections. Fill in the blanks with appropriate interjections. A. Blank, your car is beautiful. Blank, your car is beautiful. It's, wow, your car is beautiful. Number 2 or B. Blank, today is holiday. Blank, today is holiday. Answer? Yay! Or yippee! Today is holiday. Letter C or number 3. Blank, it hurts me. Blank, it hurts me. Answer? Ow! Or ouch! It hurts me. Letter D or number 4. Blank, you've done your homework. No more about homework. It's well done or great, you've done your homework. And number 5 or E, last item. Blank, what a disgusting behavior. Blank, what a disgusting behavior. Answer? Grr or ah, what a disgusting behavior. So this video ends here about interjections, definition, and types with examples. Thanks for watching.